Hi everyone, Mrs. E here, back again with our weekly common exception words video. Let's see what we've got in store this week. Okay, let's start as we usually do. Can you find the right word? Our first word today is opposite. Opposite. Can you find it on the mat? Opposite. Well done, there it is. Getting towards the bottom of the mat now and nearly learned all of these words. Opposite. There it is. OPPOSITE. Now you can see a word within a word there. You've got the word site, like a building site at the end of the word there. Opposite. Opposite. So you can go up the stairs or down the stairs. Those are opposite directions. The boy went the opposite way to the other children. Our second word to find, here we go, is ordinary. Ordinary. Can you find it? Yeah, there it is. Easy to find on the mat. Ordinary. So, we've got the arry on the end, which we learnt last week, and the rest of it we can use our sounds for. Or, din, arry. So we've got the or sound, din, as in you're making a din, and arry, just an ordinary day. The family walked to school on an ordinary day. So it means just as normal, nothing special. Our third word this week is particular. Particular. Can you spot it? There it is. Particular. So, can you find a particular place on the mat? Okay. Any words within words? I bet you can spot it right at the beginning of the word. Part. Part. P-A-R-T. Part. And then ik, you, la. There's a particular way to get to school. Particular. If you chunk it down like that, you should be able to remember it. And our fourth word is a tricky one. Peculiar. Peculiar. There it is. Looks like peculiar, doesn't it? We don't say peculiar, we say peculiar. So it's that E that we might forget. P-E-C-U. And then we've got the word liar on the end. So if you can spell liar, then you can spell peculiar. That picture is very peculiar, isn't it? I've never seen an apple in a cube shape before. Very peculiar. How peculiar is this apple? Very peculiar. Here we go now. It's quiz time. Which of these week's words are hiding? So we've got a picture to give us a clue, and then we'll write down the word. Get your pencil and your paper ready. Watch for the squares disappearing. What looks like a tree? And the sea? No particular place. So our word is particular. Particular. Can you write it down? Particular. There it is. Part, ik, you, la. Did you get it right? Great job if you did. Here's number 2. Which of this week's words are hiding now? A happy child? Who's under the table? Another table. That word says above. Not much there. Oh, and the other word says below. One girl is above the table, one girl is below the table, so they are in Opposite places. You've got it. Write it down. Opposite. Opposite. Good job. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Fantastic. Here we go with number 3. What's hiding now? That's not much help. Something with legs, something red with legs. It's certainly very strange. What's another word for strange? We've got a car with arms and legs. That's very peculiar, isn't it? Can you write down peculiar? What an odd picture. How do we spell it? Peculiar. P-E-C-U-L-I-A-R. Peculiar. And our final one. Which one haven't we done yet, boys and girls? Looks like a calendar. The 17th of September. Oh, I know. It's just an ordinary day. Ordinary. Can you write down ordinary? Pause the video if you want more time. There it is. Ordinary. Ordinary. Great job if you got that right. Keep practicing and you'll soon be a super speller. See you next time. Bye from Mrs. E.